Hi guys, it's your favorite maths teacher once again. So on this session, I'll be basically helping you to understand one of the critical components of knowing how to solve for x. So you need to realize that as you'll be writing paper 1, you'll always get the question of solving for x. It will depend on how the question is being asked or structured. So as you can see here, we are having 2 to the power of 2x plus 1 is equals to minus 4 plus 9 times 2 to the power of x. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to take everything, transposing it on the left hand side. Remember when I transpose, signs they change, right? So here we're having 2 to the exponent of 2x plus 1. And then since this is a positive 9 times 2 to the exponent of x, when I transpose it that side, it will change the sign to become what? Minus 9 times 2 to the exponent of x. And then since this one it was negative 4, when I transpose it that side, it should change the sign to become positive 4. All equals to what? All is equals to 0. And then when you arrive here, guys, I'm going to break this and write it as 2 to the exponent of 2x multiplied by 2 to the exponent of 1 minus 9 times 2 to the exponent of x plus 4. It's equals to what? It's equals to 0. And then when I arrive here, guys, I'm going to write one of the very important steps whereby we are going to say let 2 to the exponent of x be equals to k. So when I'm saying let 2 to the exponent of x be equals to k, it means to say where there is 2 to the exponent of x, I'm gonna write k. So let's just rewrite it as it is 2 to the exponent of 2x multiplied by 2 to the exponent of 1 minus 9 times 2 to the exponent of x plus 4. It's equals to 0. So here comes that very important step of you substituting by k. So since we said let 2 to the exponent of x be k, here we're having 2 to the exponent of 2x. So it means to say it will be what? It will be k what? K squared, because 2 to the exponent of x is k. And then multiply by 2. You know that 2 to the exponent of 1 is the same as 2, right? And then minus 9. This is 2 to the exponent of x. Since 2 to the exponent of x is k, it means that where there is 2 to the exponent of x, I'm going to write k. Then you say plus 4, it's equals to 0. Then when you arrive here, guys, you write it properly in a quadratic form, right? So remember, this is k squared times 2. It's the same as you writing 2k squared minus 9k plus 4. It's equals to what? It's equals to 0. So when you arrive here, guys, it means to say you're going to do what? You're going to factorize, because that is a quadratic equation. But you understand that there are learners who don't know how to factorize. If you don't know how to factorize, use the quadratic formula, guys. So it means to say here when you are factorizing, your factors, it will be 2k here as well as k. The reason I'm saying it will be 2k and k is that when you apply the FOIL method, so to those who don't understand what is the FOIL method, FOIL simply means to say you multiply the first, you multiply the outer, you multiply the inner, you multiply the last terms, right? So we multiply the first terms, 2k plus 2k times k, that is 2k squared, right? So it means to say it will be 2k minus 1 as well as what? K minus 4. This should be your factors, right? So this basically means to say when you apply the FOIL method, 2k times k is 2k squared. 2k times minus 4 is minus 8k. Negative 1 times k, it's minus k. Minus 8k minus k, that's minus 9k, right? Negative times negative is positive. 1 times 4 is 4. It means to say your factors are correct. And then from here, guys, when you continue, you're going to write 2k minus 1 is equals to 0, or k minus 4 is equals to 0. Then it means to say you're going to say 2k is equals to, remember when you take negative 1, transposing it on the other side, it will change the sign to become positive. So that will be 1. Then you divide both sides by 2. Why are we dividing both sides by 2? Because math says what you do on the left hand side, also do it on the right hand side. Then 2 cancels 2, and then here you're left with k is equals to 1 over 2. But remember, we are not done. And get here, we said let 2 to the exponent of x be k. It means to say where there is k, I'm going to write 2 to the exponent of x. So this will be 2 to the exponent of x is equals to 1 over 2. Mind you, you must write it with a base of 2, right? So this will be 2 to the exponent of x is equals to 1 over 2. You writing it with the base of 2, you understand that that is 2 to the exponent of negative 1. And then when you arrive here, May says when the bases are the same, locate the exponent. My base is 2. My base is 2. It means to say, therefore, now I'm equating the exponent. How do I equate the exponent? I'm going to conclude and say, therefore, x is equals to negative 1. So that means that that should be your first answer. Continuing onwards, you are not yet done. You go back again here. Remember, we left it here where there is k minus 4 is equals to 0. Then you're going to say, oh, k is equals to what? 4. You know why? Because that was negative 4. When I transpose it on the other side, it changes the sign to become what? Positive. And then remember, we said let k be 2 to the exponent of x. It means to say where there is k, I'm going to write 2 to the exponent of x. So that will be 2 to the exponent of x, it's equals to 4. And then that will be 2 to the exponent of x, it's equals to, you understand that you writing 4 with a base of 2, that will be 2 squared. 2 squared, right? Because 2 squared, it gives me what? 4. And then again, Mess says when the bases are the same, I equate my exponents. Since my bases are the same, I'm going to say, therefore, the value of x is equals to what? The value of x is equals to 2. So these are your solutions. It means to say your solution is x is equals to 2. Your other solution is what? X is equals to negative 1, guys. Thank you so much. It's your favorite math teacher once again. Stay tuned for more.